Wireless fuel management system. Manual fuel management leads to inaccurate tracking, fuel misuse, and reduced productivity through idle time. FuelShield provides a seamless, hassle-free installation with no excavation required. Whether for terminals, retail stations, or mobile tankers, it integrates effortlessly with your existing pumps. FuelShield ensures secure, automated control of fuel usage, protecting your resources and maximizing productivity across all operations. The information gathered by FuelShield is shared wirelessly to a FuelB4, a powerful cloud-based platform for detailed custom reporting by management or accounting, giving you complete visibility and control over your fuel usage. FuelShield offers a wide range of authorization methods. For smaller operations, FuelShield Lite is a cost-effective solution, offering essential features like vehicle recognition, monitoring fuel usage, custom reports to make data-driven decisions, and seamless integration with FuelB4, with Wi-Fi and cellular connection. Take control of your fuel management today with FuelShield. Secure, efficient, and fully automated. Wireless fuel management system, powered by FuelB4. Visit our website or book a free consultation today.